Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am your host, the most famous YouTuber in the world that no one has ever heard of. Got our oil cleaned up, we got our motor ready to go. Table's gonna go. We gotta get the walker in here. We gotta take the deck off first. Might help if we bring a light. Now I've never done this before, so it's got to be this getting caught on something. It says you got to tip the seat up. Okay. And then it says we got to take this out, which should come right out. Okay. So we got that. Then I guess we got to tip the seat back down again. So let's do that. Without the springs, it really goes down. Then it says to take the deck pins out. So, assuming that's what these are. Yeah. Okay. Okay, that one came right out. Why didn't this one come out? Maybe we gotta give it a little jostle. Aha! Okay. We got the pins out. Then it says, now, one thing I wasn't clear on, come on, is it says to reach in here. Quick couple. I don't know if there's anything quick about this, but I feel something, but it doesn't feel like it's gonna move. Let's see if the deck will slide out. Ah, okay. I see what we got going on here. There. I'm currently wedged between two things here and trying not to destroy the camera. Come on. Okay. I think you got one side out. Oh, that pin fell. That's lovely. Okay, that spot won't rust ever again. But I can't get, this side isn't coming out. There it goes. Okay, now we got, okay, this really does not want to roll. Okay, this is the first time I've taken this deck off. Now it says I need to uncouple that thing in there. Nothing's easy. I got the latch to move. Well, that is attached to the box that's broken. Little pin in there. And I can't go forward without that moving, can I? Can I? No, because it'll get bound. If I just tie that up, give it one more. There we go. Good grief. Okay, we got that bad boy out. We've got grease everywhere. So I'm going to put this There's really no point in sliding that back on, is there? We'll just leave it there. We're going to grease that before we try to put it back on again. So now I'm left with a mower with these greasy pin things hanging down. If I should, I guess they can't go too far. Okay, well, now we got room to get this in the garage. Wish me luck. Okay, we got one small problem. I got no place to put my feet. Well, anyway, if you want to see me dig into this, watch for the next video. Maybe the one after that, depending on how long it takes me to get all my ducks in a row. I'm going to get this in the garage. I'm going to get that engine out here, my table out here. Basically swap places with them. And then we're going to tear this apart. So stay tuned.